Rechargeable battery. Keep your remote powered with any standard USB charger, so you don't have to worry about batteries. Control your TV. No need to juggle multiple remotes. Turn your TV on and off, adjust the volume, mute, and control your streaming all with this Roku replacement remote. Lost remote finder. Simply say, "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" or find it with the free Roku mobile app, so you don't have to tear the room apart. Private listening. Plug headphones, sold separately, into this Roku remote with headphone jack to crank up the volume on your TV without disturbing the house. Hands-free voice. Just say, "Hey Roku," for easy voice search and controls without reaching for the remote. Turn captions on, launch channels, and more. Your choice for voice. Easily choose between hands-free and push-to-talk voice controls with the flip of a switch. Personal shortcut buttons. Set personal shortcuts with your voice, so you can launch a playlist, adjust settings, and more in a press. Works with most Roku devices. This Roku remote control replacement is compatible with all Roku TV brands, Roku audio devices, and most recent Roku players. Some older models may not be supported. Compatible with all Roku TV, Roku Express Plus, Roku Express 4K, Roku Express 4K Plus, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Roku Premiere, Roku Ultra LT, Roku SE, Roku Smart Soundbar, Roku Streambar Pro. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny. I got the Pro model for my TCL Roku TV and I love it. I use Prime Video a lot and having the programmable buttons is nice because one opens Prime Video and two opens my PlayStation. The pre-programmed buttons that came on mine were Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Sling. I use them all but Sling, but like I said with the two programmable buttons I have instant access to the other things I use. The remote has a textured surface which I really like, because my older remote was smooth and would slip out of my hands easily.